What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about Advent Technologies Holdings, okay? Ticker symbol ADN. Now this baby is up over 243%. After hours, we're going to see what happens. At the time of recording this video, it is currently 4:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's see what this is all about. Let's see why it's pumped, and let's just take a quick look into everything as a whole. So here is Advent Technology Holdings. You guys know I love to use my Yahoo Finance. So we can see, guys, this is a stock that is trading at an insane discount compared to where it once was earlier on in the years. So if you take a look at the 1 year chart, we can see it's been at a steady free fall, and today we see a nice juicy pump. Now again, this is a very nice play if you guys did actually caught this, because this was actually a news play, and we're going to go over the news in a bit. But first I want to look at the S&P 500. We can see, guys, not looking good, down 3%. We can see the Dow Jones as well, down 2.4%. Again, not good. The Nasdaq as well as a whole is down 4%. So we can see a lot of blood in the markets, guys. Guys, this is not, good times at all, right? Recently, you guys know I actually did some capital reallocation, and I raised about 5 figures by selling one of my dividend plays. And that is something that I talk about in my private Discord. If you guys want access to all my trades in my private Discord, link down below. It's just $10 a month, and it's cheaper than Chick-fil-A. Now, let's talk about Advent Technologies, guys. A lot of people don't even know what this company is and what they do. But they are quite interesting, and it is something that I guess has a lot of potential. Now, here's the website right here. You guys can see what they do is basically they do a lot of things with like fuel cells and hydrogen and stuff like that. So we can see power generation, mobility, stuff for oil and gas, heat and power. And you can see they're in a bunch of different markets, right? So power generation, automotive, aviation, defense, oil, and gas. So it is quite interesting. If you guys are into this type of stuff, definitely go and check out their website. Check out their investors relation page as well. It's super important, guys, when you're investing in a company. Make sure you go and look at their financials, their SEC filings, their quarterlies, all that type of stuff. Is very important to look at. But what made this pop off? So we can see, guys, Advent Technologies, here we see right here, if you take a look at their financials, we can take a look at their income statement and all that stuff. But one thing that was really interesting to me is their market cap of 205 million. Now, here's the news that broke out. So we can see over here, they announced $821 million 6-year fuel cell project in Greece. So they announced that they have got approved funding for what is equivalent of $821 million, and this is for developing fuel cells and electrolyzers in Western Macedonia, or Macedonia, however you pronounce that, over 6 years. So that is actually pretty cool to see that they were able to raise that much funding. Okay, now we can see over here the Green Hippo project will deliver 400 megawatts of fuel cell heat and power production, and this has got preliminary approval. Okay, so this is very interesting to see that they've been able to raise this much amount of money, and we can see this is also a merger, and they actually did a SPAC earlier last year. So that's how they actually came up, came up. But like I said, guys, this is quite interesting to see, because if their market cap is, we can see right here, 205 million, and they just raised this amount of money, it's going to be very interesting to see where this stock actually soars off to. Now, it is a long-term hold. This is a quick swing trade. Will this continue to pump? I think we might be able to see a little bit more of a pump tomorrow, but this is going to be a much smaller pump compared to what we saw today. Obviously, today we saw 200% gains. I don't think we're going to see that back-to-back days. If we do, great, but this might be a decent time for you to look at this and be like, okay, is this actually going to continue over a long-term horizon? Because we know this is a 6-year contract that they signed, right? Or a 6-year, project, right? So that is pretty interesting to see. Now, will this continue to pump over the 6 years? I think this is definitely going to be on my radar. Probably going to add this to my watch list and to see how it does over time. But we all know, guys, with stocks just right now, it is very hard to catch some nice short-term swing trades, unless you're looking for some momentum plays like AMC or Redbox or whatever that may be. It is very hard. So in the comments down below, let me know what you guys think about this, I was about to say project, but about this stock, about this company. And yeah, guys, if you did this video, make sure you leave a like. Like I said, private Discord down below. You guys can catch all my trades, all my, thoughts about the markets and all this type of stuff. And until next time, guys, remember, stay seeking success.